Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Josie here, and in this video I'll be making a curly U-part crochet wig and also showing you guys how to install for a natural finish look with no leave out. So I already have my canvas head on my tripod. I'm using the 21 inches canvas head, and for my wig cap I'm using the U-part wig cap. So I'll go ahead and pin it to my canvas head with some ball pins because I don't have the T-pins, and it also works fine in securing it. So yeah. So many dreams that crush up for the heart. So many dreams that crush up for the heart. So this part right here is really important. It's the same as when making the wig with tracks. I like to leave an inch space between each line. This first of all lets you have equal amounts of hair on both sides and also prevents bulkiness. So first I pin the measuring tape to the wig cap because it's slippery and I don't want it moving around when marking. Next I take out an eyeliner or a Sharpie with a different color from the cap so the lines are visible. And I'm using the inches side of the measuring tape. I mark on both sides with an inch apart. I do that for the whole wig cap. So here, after taking the tape off, I just join the lines and then extend them. I go clean up energies when they line with my energy. Some people like it when I speak, but so for the hair, I'm using the 8 inches Yankee twist crochet hair from Cuckoo. The hair came in originally twisted, but I decided to untwist and unravel it because I like it that way better. But it can be installed twisted too, and that's fine, which I have a video on my channel on that. So taking out my crochet pin, the next thing to do is to crochet the hair, and it's the same as crocheting it directly into your hair. First I pass the crochet pin through the wig cap, then I'll take out 2 strands of the hair. I'll put it in the hook, close it, pull it through, and then make a knot, either single or double. So I'm crocheting 2 strands of the hair for the lower section because I want more volume at that area. Also, I'm leaving about half an inch space between each crochet. What I know feet when jam, what I know feet when Joe is getting hotter, yeah. I was getting hotter, I was getting hotter, I was getting hotter, yeah. I was getting hotter, I was getting hotter, I was getting hotter, I was getting hotter, yeah. I was getting hotter. No get the Wi-Fi, yeah. Make you connect me, make you feel what I did feel, yeah. Empty pockets be nothing for this side, yeah. Nobody go believe you from this side, yeah. So if you feel it, if I do, I'm on your own. Ain't nobody come do you, Babylon. So many dreams that crash up for you. Now when I get to the top section, I switch from crocheting 2 strands to 1. I do so because I want the top to look more natural and flat. I don't wanna get lost in my own thoughts. I don't wanna get lost. I don't wanna get lost. Do you really feel the fire? A beautiful fire. We don't need no lighter. It's always good to shine. Rain or night. Do you really feel the fire? A beautiful fire. What I know feet when jam, what I know feet when Joe is getting hotter, yeah. I don't have enough to be tripping, gotta go hard for the vision. Only music get to my feelings, they wondering why I know they listen. I go clean up energies when they line with my energy. Some people like it when I speak, but don't like it when so I'm finally done with the crochet, and that's how it's looking cute already. So the next thing I'm going to do is to trim and shape it, and I'm not doing too much because I'll still trim it when I'm installing. Don't want it feels like the heart is beating. I don't wanna get lost. I don't wanna get lost in my own thoughts. I don't wanna get lost. I don't wanna get lost. Do you really feel the fire? A beautiful fire. We don't need no lighter. It's always good to shine. Rain or night. Do you really feel the fire? A beautiful fire. Know what I know feet when jam. What I know feet when Joe is getting hotter, yeah. I was getting hotter. I was getting hotter. I was getting hotter, yeah. I was getting hotter. Oh, oh. I was getting hotter. I was getting hotter. I was getting hotter, yeah. For my combs, I'll be using these ones. You can use the snap combs if you prefer that one. I only had 3 left, so I had to make it work. I'll be attaching one on each side and then the final one in the middle. So you want something like this. Now it's time to install the hair. I already have my cornrows in. Also, this wig can be installed braidless. So I'll take out some edge control and do my edges. Nothing crazy. Next, I'll go ahead and cut out the lace to get the U shape. That's the reason I prefer this wig cap for U-shape wigs, because you already have the shape mapped out for you. So that's what I have after cutting the lace out. Also, this wig cap came with an adjustable strap, so you can decide how tight or loose you want your wig hat to be. If I'm doing a middle part, you can also style it into a side part. To attach, I'm just going to slide the comb underneath my cornrow, and look how perfect that looks. So I'm going to do the same for the rest of the combs, and I'll be back to show you how it looks. So many dreams that crush up for the heart. So many dreams that crush up for the heart, yeah. So I don't wanna get lost. I don't wanna get lost in my own thoughts. I don't wanna get lost. I don't wanna get lost. That's how it's looking after attaching all 3 combs and also adjusting the strap. So here I'm just trying to cover up the outline of the lace so it looks more natural. Just take a few hairs from the wig and then crochet it into my natural hair. I'm just pulling them through. I'm not creating any knot. I don't have enough to be tripping. Gotta go hard for the vision. Only music get to my feelings. They wondering why I know they listen. So I'm done with this side and look how natural that looks. I'll repeat for the rest and I'll be back to show you when I'm done. Some people like it when I speak, but don't like it when I speak in my music. That's life. I met a beautiful girl once. Now I'm all done with the crochet and that's how it's looking. You can't tell me this is not my natural hair. Next, I added in some shea butter for a bit of shine and then went ahead to trim and shape it. I don't wanna get lost in my own thoughts. I don't wanna get lost. I don't wanna get lost. Do you really feel the fire? A beautiful fire. We don't need no lighter. It's always good to shine. Rain or night. Do you really feel the fire? A beautiful fire. Know what I know feet when jam. What I know feet when Joe is getting hotter, yeah. I was getting hotter. I was getting hotter. So I'm all done and that's the end results. For my final thoughts, first off, this hair really has value for its money. So that's actually my 4th time installing this particular hair and the curls are still intact and still popping. It requires little to no maintenance at all. It can be maintained with some mousse or some curling cream or shea butter. Also, it's really lightweight and doesn't tangle at all. It's water friendly, but unfortunately you can't get the wet look because it's not a human hair. Also, you can't brush through, you just have to finger comb it. So there you have it, guys. That will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Also, feel free to ask me any question. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Just to drive you up the wall, then swing
for maneuver you. Enough trips to the mall, then burn you like you lose. My girl, you never born for sorrow. Why I preach, said Jesus take the lead. Look what a girl so sweet, no make no waste man tears. Your body neat, one day my one day if you real. Cause girls like you are to believe. So long I make my preach, said Jesus take the lead. Look what a girl so